Welcome to Karands. This video is all about ICHP process at Karands. Here we will be covering working of Karands, overview of an ICHP role, my task dashboard overview, how to register as an ICHP in practical, where you will come to know how the job BGP task and hiring support tasks are assigned, training session details, contact and support. So let's start with working of Karands. How Karands work? Karands basically is into third-party business services like background verification, third-party hiring by recruitment, IT-enabled services, advertisement, marketing, branding, event planning, etc. Event planning in the sense we do corporate events like bulk hirings, campus hirings, mega job melas, product launch, reboots, like this. Now what happens? Karands have more than 7,000 clients across India, IT and non-IT both, where 12,000 HRs are working and they hire more than 10,000 people every month. These clients share their requirement with Karands.com like BGV, third-party hiring, IT services, advertisements, event planning, etc. Then these tasks will be assigned to two type of people. One is BOP, Business Outsource Partner, and one is ICHP. As this video is about ICHP, okay, so majorly concentrating on ICHP only. Now, who is ICHP? ICHP is an individual contributor HR professional from a dedicated location like a city like Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, or any other tier 2 cities also. Okay, to these ICHPs, all tasks of background verification and recruitment jobs will be assigned to their My Task dashboard. These ICHPs will be having a separate dashboard, which is a My Task dashboard, and they are assigned by the admin of the state of that particular city only. That means if you are from Hyderabad or Mumbai, you will be getting tasks related to Hyderabad or Mumbai only, but you won't be getting a task of Chennai or Bangalore. Not only ICHPs will be like helping with the tasks and earn, they also work on the flaws of hiring process, verifying users to eliminate fake profiles. They will be building trusted hiring support. They will be like working as a bridge between job seekers and employers, and they build transparency, trust, and accountability in the hiring process. ICHPs earn from background verification and hiring support tasks regularly, daily. ICHPs can work from anywhere, anytime, passive or actively full-time. Anywhere, anytime in the sense, you can do background verification tasks from anywhere, okay, but for one dedicated city only. But coming to the hiring support tasks, if you are from Mumbai, then hiring support tasks will be assigned to you from Mumbai location only. But you can you can do the job from your home, from your workplace, anywhere you can do, anytime, morning, evening, anytime you can do. Passively, ICHP HRs can easily earn 25,000 to 45,000 per month. That's how we will be showing you that in training process. Actively, if someone wants to do full time, then they can easily earn 60 lakhs to 1 lakh rupees per month, sitting at their home at their convenience. State admin is the person who will be assigning them the tasks on their My Task dashboard on Karands.com. How to become an ICHP? The eligibility criteria is you need to be from the HR background, either fresher or an experienced. Okay, or you need to have experience into recruitment by verification process. You need to have laptop with high-speed internet. You're not supposed to use mobiles because it's a complete SaaS platform which is not compatible with mobiles. You need to register with Karands.com as an ICHP and complete your profile. Need to submit required documents for verification purpose. Why we are doing verification? Because we are giving you job. So we want to know who you are exactly. Are you an HR? Are you like experienced person to go with? We need to know your credibility and availability. The verification process usually takes 12 to 15 working days of time. And in these working days of time, a training session will be assigned to you. Okay, the training session will be of like 3 hours, which is divided into 2 to 3 days into small groups of ICHPs, as per the convenience of the ICHP, like in morning, afternoon, evening, before 9 o'clock in the evening, anytime that, but that time should be fixed as always till the training is completed. Post verification, your My Task dashboard will be activated and you will start receiving the tasks from the state admin. As I told you, you can work from anywhere, anytime, okay, and you can accept the task or decline the task if you don't want to do, okay. But if you accept the task, it is important that you need to finish the task within the TAT turnaround time, okay. Now, to register as an ICHP, you need to keep some things handy, mostly soft documents, okay, like your updated resume, your Aadhaar card, your PAN card. You need to have your social media links copied at some place like your LinkedIn account, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, like this for social verification and credibility. Educational documents like convocation certificate or consolidated or individual mark sheet, anything will be fine, which is having registration number. Work experience, if you have any, then you need to show up your offer letter, appointment letters. If you are like work which you like relieve that company, then relieving letters, okay. If you have any designation or promotion change letters, then please help us with that to understand you better. You need to like upload your salary slips if you have any. It is not compulsory. Technical requirements, you need to have the mobile number which is registered to your Aadhaar card, because you will get an OTP from the Aadhaar to get your details from the Aadhaar server itself, so that we can understand you are the same person who are like registering. And to also work on fake profiles, because we on Karands.com people cannot create dual profiles, because every user has to go with Aadhaar verification, that is mandatory. And you need to have laptop or desktop only with high speed internet, that is mandatory. Moreover, you need to have a referral code to register on platform, because unless and until you don't have a referral code from an existing user of Karands.com, you cannot register on the platform. Okay, for referral code, you can contact me, or else you can use the referral code as Turvi1000. This is the admin referral code. Okay, when you use it, the admin will get in contact with you. Okay, and the needful will be done. Now, once the verification is done, your My Task dashboard will get activated. Okay, and in your My Task dashboard, you can see background verification tasks, okay, as well as hiring support tasks. That I will show you in this video how those tasks will be, as this is just theory before we start the registration process and see the My Task dashboard how it looks like. My Task dashboard will be having, apart from the tasks, how the new task came. When you accept it, it will go to the ongoing tasks. For support HR jobs, if you apply them, it will go into the applied tasks. If you miss any tasks, that task also you can see. If you declined any tasks, that task also you can see. The task which has been completed, okay, that tasks you can see. And once the tasks are completed, the completed task will be getting some earning. That earnings will be seen in the earnings section. Whenever any task is assigned to an ICHP, they will get an instant email ensuring not to miss any opportunity. Whatever the earnings you got, that will be displayed in the earnings section, okay, which you can withdraw anytime, but once per day. That means if you got some 500 rupees for today's task, you can withdraw those 500 rupees today itself, and you can withdraw it using UPI or bank transfer. UPI is something like when you withdraw via UPI, then it will be transferred within seconds. If you use bank transfer, then if it is a working time, it will be transferred in seconds. If it is non-working, then it might take some time from 3 hours to 72 hours. So better use UPI to get the amount within fraction of seconds. And you can withdraw the amount only once in a day. Okay, you cannot withdraw 200 now and 200 after 2 hours. Once in a day, you can withdraw the amount whatever the earning you got. Training session will be of 3 hours divided into 2 to 3 sessions over 2 to 3 days, depending upon mutual convenience of the trainer and the ICHP. Training will be conducted in small groups, okay, along with you some other new ICHPs also will be available, where you can go with FAQs and everything. Training modules. Session 1 will be about understanding Karands.com, like overview of the complete platform, what are the different types of user types we have, and how the work exactly is done. Okay. Session 2 will be understanding the My Task dashboard. Okay. Once your My Task dashboard is activated, how to navigate to it, how the task will be coming to you, how to accept it, and whatever the challenges and other things you will be facing over there, and how the task flow will be. And session 3 is do's and don'ts. What you need to do, what you need not to do, what the challenges you can face, how to approach when you face any problems, any challenges. Okay. And complete compliance guidelines will be available over there. Training, as I said, training will be conducted while your profile is under verification. Basically, profile verification will be taking 12 to 15 days of time. Then why to waste that time? Okay, it is not compulsory that a 12 to 15 days will be taken. If you are fresher, the verification will be done in 3 to 4 days only. Okay, if you have multiple companies experience, okay, then definitely it will take some 12 to 15 days of time. So why to waste the time? Within this time, the training will be done. Okay, because training will be taking 2 to 3 days maximum, and it is not compulsory today training happened, tomorrow happened, and day after tomorrow happened, because maybe today you are available, tomorrow may not be, you are not available. So it is important that to schedule the training, okay, as per the mutual concerns of both the trainer and ICHP. Now let's register as an ICHP. As this is the demo purpose video, okay. So we are doing the ICHP registration on training.karands.com. Training.karands.com is a platform where the training things, demo things happens. Okay. But you need to register on the main platform that is called as Karands.com, where training is not there. Here you can see training.karands.com. This is for training and demo purpose only. But the main platform where you need to register, get verified, and work on tasks, that is Karands.com. Contact and support 24/7. We have our support with you. You can write anything, whatever you have, any questions, any queries, any problems you are facing, to email at the rate admin@karandsbs.com. Karandsbs.com. Remember this email. Okay. And or else you can WhatsApp on this number. Okay. This is the admin number. Basically, supports working hours is like 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. if you are like doing WhatsApp or call onto this number. Okay. Non-working hours, the number won't be answered. Else, you have one more way of like approaching for contact and support. That is, in your default dashboard, in your network section, you have connections. In the connections, you will be having an admin account. Message that admin and you will get a prompt reply immediately. Okay. Note of the summary. While registering on Karands.com, remember you need to have referral code. If you don't have any, then use Turbi 1000, which is case sensitive. That means capital T, small letters URVI, and 1000. Do not use the referral code which is used in the demo video while I am registering on this. Use laptop or desktop only. High speed internet is recommended. Verification time is 12 to 15 days. Training is of 3 hours, can be scheduled for 2 to 3 days. For this, you will be getting a call or mail from the trainer post successful registration. Post successful registration, not verification. So let's start with registration. Here, before registering, I would like to show you some accounts. You can see here, admin account is available. Okay, this is admin of the state. Basically, the dashboard looks like this. Okay, so this is the admin dashboard, and this is default sub-admin dashboard. Okay, yes, I can see that the D is disconnected over here, is not visible because the screen is not taking. No issues. So this is a default sub-admin dashboard. Who is your base leader? This is ICHP1 for training purpose. and this is ICHP 2. Okay, for training purpose. How the things will happen when we are using this sample profiles over here. Now, I am registering on Karands.com. Okay, so I am going with training.karands.com. So here I will be like going to sign in. Okay, and here you can see sign up. Okay, not a user yet. Go to sign up, enter details. Okay, like I am entering Turbi Singh, email ID, Singh 7@gmail.com. Mobile number I am using 074317657. Location I am taking Hyderabad. I am using some password over here which is case sensitive. Okay, like minimum 8 characters with alpha, numeric, special character, and I'm saying sign up. Let me recheck this one. So I have like done up with little sign up over here. So it is asking you to select your role. So as this is for ICHP purpose only, so select ICHP as you are an individual human resource professional. Okay, and you will be working on background verification and support HR jobs to earn passive income and work from anywhere. So I am selecting this. You need to write little about yourself. Okay, what exactly HR position you are holding right now. So I will be taking as HR business analyst. Okay, from recruitment industry, and some of my skills as like HR project manager, outsourcing, management, investigation, and solutions. Minimum 5 skills you need to use, that is mandatory. And I'm having like 5 years of experience, 5 years, 2 months I'm taking defaultly. Now I am like using some code over here, referral code. Okay, so I will be using some code like I cannot use Turbi code, it is like dedicated to the main one. So the referral code which I want to use, I will use one of the users referral code because existing user referral code is mandatory. So if we go here and if we see ICHP2 in his accounts, there is one referral code available. Okay, let's see whether this guy is having any referral code. Yes, he is having one referral code that is like demo 1000. Okay, so I will be going with this demo 1000, and when I say add, I can see the ICHP2. Okay, that means yes, this is the same user we are looking for. Okay, just need to confirm, and after that you need to click on send OTP to the above email ID and the mobile number. Okay, let me check the OTP. For mail, I got an OTP that is 140179. And for mobile number, I got the OTP. So the mobile number OTP is 766636. verify. Phone and mobile phone has been verified successfully. Now you will be like seeing this pop up over here. Okay, basically when you register on Karands.com to become an ICHP, it is important that you will be going with a subscription of 1,000 rupees plus 180 rupees taxes, that is for 1 year subscription. Okay, and post subscription you need to like complete the objective survey and fill the details about your personal, professional and education information, upload the required documents, what the information you provided, go with the steps all in stepwise only. Okay, verification will be taking 12 to 15 days of time. Training will be done within this time itself. Post success verification, my task board will be activated. For any queries, you can go to the network connections section. Network means the sense here. In this, you can go for the connections section. I will show you that one too. Okay. So right now I am saying please activate my account. Okay. When you say activate an account, it will ask you, do you have any promo code or not? Why this section is here, the employers, the clients who we have, who they verify their employees, they provide promo code to them, okay, so that they can enter the promo code here and they get complete 100% discount over here. Because employee, the new joinee, is not going to pay for his self verification to join some company. So the company is supposed to verify his profile, right? So the company, after his joining, they will like give him a promo code which they buy from us, okay, and after that the candidate will be using this particular promo code here so that he will be getting 100% discount. But right now we are not having any promo code for the new ICHPs. So we are going with no, we don't have any promo code and we are ready to go with paying 1,000 plus 180 rupees. Okay. Now it will redirect you to phone pay game and gateway. Okay. Now here you can scan the QR code. Okay. Using your GPay, phone pay, Paytm or any UPI payment you can use and do the payment. Okay. Once you scan the UPI, okay, you will be getting acknowledgement as payment successful with one transaction ID and it will be asking you to go to my dashboard. Okay, when you click that one, you will be on my dashboard and you need to complete this whole survey. Okay, so activation of account is already done by 1,000 rupees plus taxes which you paid, so it is showing a green tick mark over here. And next step is point 2. Okay, that is like go to objective survey over here. Basically it is asking you, why are you here, for what are you looking for job or looking to hire, looking to build network with others, looking to collaborate, mentoring others, seeking mentorship, looking for investment or looking to invest, okay, advertising or becoming an affiliate. So basically you can select any one from each row. Okay, so you can select minimum 1, maximum 5. So as I don't want to take more time on this, so I will be selecting only one section, that is like looking to hire, as we are HRs, we are ICHPs. Okay, so we basically hire people. Okay, submit. Here it will be asking at what locations you will be hiring. So I am saying I will be hiring at Hyderabad locations. Any other preferred locations? Yes, I do hire for Pune and I do hire for Mumbai also. Okay, designations, what type of designations you hire, any sudden requirements if you have, then you can mention over here. Yes, I do have some requirements with sales team leader, okay, business process managers, okay, like that you can add anything. You can add means your idea, means like your plans of like hiring right now, which you can change later also in your edit profile. It's not compulsory. What type of functional area you belongs to? I belongs to human resources. Okay, industry, recruitment. Okay, skills, what type of skills you are like hiring for. So okay, so I will be hiring for strategy people, sales and market alignment, business planning, business strategies, and sales retention. Like this, minimum 5 sales skills you need to add. I will be hiring both freshers and experience. Here I need to write, you need to write what exactly you are like looking for. So I am looking to hire sales and marketing marketing professionals for Hyderabad, Pune and Mumbai location. Is it work from home or work from office or remote? I'm saying report and say submit. That's enough. So your second step is over. Now you will be coming into edit profile section. Okay. So I am writing I hit in edit profile section. As you can see, your name and your mobile number are like already mentioned over here. Okay. You just need to upload your resume over here. So I am like uploading some dummy document. Okay, you need to upload the exactly what the CV you have with you. Okay, so I am just uploading some dummy file over here. Okay, and just save. That's enough. So your second point is done. Third section, one point is done. Now professional information, personal information. Okay, you need to enter your Aadhaar card. This is mandatory because we don't want people to create duplicate profiles like how people create in LinkedIn, Naukri, Foundit and so many other places. Here on this platform only one person can create one profile. So I am writing my Aadhaar number over here, 49751538, okay, 8102. So I am asking to send an OTP to my registered mobile number. So OTP has been sent to me. So it is asking to submit my OTP. I'm waiting for an OTP to come. I got an OTP that is like 341, all sixes. Submit OTP. So here you can see no name and other things are there. But soon I submit OTP, okay, the details will get automatically filled. The page will get refreshed and the details will be automatically filled. So you can see my full name came, my date of birth came, my location, my address and everything came. Here I need to fill the remaining information like marital status, about me. I'm writing something else over here. Okay, about me means having 10 plus years of experience into HR, domain, IT and non-IT. Okay, minimum 200 character is asking me to fill. So I'm just copy pasting this, but you are not supposed to do that one, please. Okay, write the proper information. Now I will be writing my social links over here. It is important because we will be verifying the social links, but right now I'm writing something dummy over here. You don't write this, please, because it is important for us to go. Okay, so you need to write at least two social links over here. Okay, if these things are not matched, then definitely admin will call you, okay, and ask you to update, which will be a waste of time. Okay, you can add your pick over here. I won't be adding it right now. Sorry, after entering your Aadhaar number, you need to enter your PAN number also, which I forgot. And it will also be verified. It will verify the details with the Aadhaar number. Okay, it will match your name and name of Aadhaar number and name of PAN number, date of birth. All things are matching or not. Yes, it is matching. So that's why it is said okay. Now personal information is done. Educational information, level of education. I have masters. Okay, and that to like MBA from Osmania University, Hyderabad. State it will take automatically. Course type like regular. Year of passing 2012. Okay, now I'm like saving this. If I am having bachelor's, I can write bachelor's also. Okay, that you can write little later also if you have multiple educations like bachelor's, master's, PhD. but write the highest qualification what you have, because only highest qualification will get verified. Okay, the job experience, I am like writing I work with KBS, that is Karands Business Services. Currently I am like HR manager. Okay, city I'm like Hyderabad. State take automatically, and I am like working here. Just take, I'm working this, this is we are working here right from 2015, but I just want to take to 24 only. Okay, because there is something means we verify recent 3 years of experience or 3 companies experience. Okay, so just for a demo purpose I'm using recent experience only. Okay, so this is my current working. Okay, so when I click current working over here, please keep in mind what I am discussing over here. This is an important section because this doubt is coming to every ICHP. So if you are working in some current organization, as you are writing this information, definitely your information will be verified, and verifying the current company's information like somewhat disturbing to you also. So we are asking you, do you want us to verify your current experience? You can say yes or no. If you say yes, then definitely the verification purpose will, the process will be like happening. If you say no, then you need to provide the official email ID of yours. Okay, means the company email ID which you have, not your personal Gmail ID. Okay, so I am writing here something TSD Singh at the rate KARANDS Karands BS. Okay, karandsbs.com. Okay, and I will be like sending an OTP. When I receive this OTP, at that time this email will get verified. That means this particular work experience is already verified. ठीक है ना? Or else if you say I don't have an official email ID and please do not verify this experience, then admin will contact you regarding this. Okay, when admin contacts you, please respond. Okay, now salary something like 12 I can go with, some 50,000. Industry is like recruitment. Okay, functional area human resources, and the skills I use in this occupation like same. HR project management, HR policy, investigations, HR coaching. You use proper skills of yours. I am blindly using some things over here, and I am writing some description of what the roles and responsibilities I played here. Okay, and I am like saving it. If I have other experiences also, I will be adding them. It is important that whatever the experience you have, please add them. Okay, it will make your profile credible. So better you add each and every information what you have. Your current experience is not compulsory to get verified using the process. It can be verified by you itself. Okay, when admin will contact you or via email process. But if you have any previous organization experience where you have like relieved your services, then definitely you won't be getting option of this one, because when you use two, okay, you won't be having this option to go with. Okay, now say I am like saving this to reduce some time. I am not adding some new companies over here. So my job experience information is over, education over, personal over, my account information is also over. Now I am like uploading documents related to the information provided. Upload documents, personal documents. Okay, so in personal documents, the information which is there that has already came over here. Okay, and here I am like uploading my Aadhaar card. It is mandatory that you need to upload Aadhaar and PAN card. Okay, if you don't have passport, driving license, voter card, no problem. You need to upload, please upload PAN card as well to get verified. Okay, so upload even PAN card also. So I am using some dummy file only over here. Okay, so my upload for Aadhaar and PAN is done. Now save. So this section is done. So whenever any section is completed, you can see some green ticks over here. This is this. Okay, now I'm like uploading my educational documents. As I told, I am like done with my master's degree at Osman University so and so year, so I will be uploading my consolidated mark sheet. Okay, same again, I'm using some dummy file only over here. Anyone documents is enough. Save. Okay, now I am like going to my professional documents over here. As I'm working in this company, this is my current occupation, so definitely I will be having my offer letter or appointment letter. So I'm like uploading my offer letter over here. So this is my offer letter I'm uploading over here. Okay, it is not compulsory you should upload the salary slips and other things. Okay, it depends upon you because what happens, sorry, as I told you, this complete verification will be like providing a credibility. Okay, tomorrow if you are looking for some full-time job, then the employer will be having your complete details pre-verified over here, and there won't be any problem in negotiating for salaries when you have shown that you got this much of salary and you're expecting so and so. Okay, and no need to provide complete documents to your future employer because everything will be over here. Okay, and the employer is not going to get your documents from the platform, they just get a status, what type of documents you have uploaded and whether they got verified or not. Please remember, nobody can see your documents except you and the admin and the ICHP who is doing the verification. The other users in the platform like employers and other users cannot see the document of viewers. Okay, and they can just see the status whether that so and so uploaded document is verified or not. So now this is what your profile registration is done. Okay, so now if you go and see your view profile, it will be showing some 5 points you have. Okay, and your work experience is under verification, your Aadhaar and PAN card is under verification, your Osmania University consolidated document is under verification, your work experience offer letter is under verification. Okay, now similarly like this, the users register on the platform to get themselves verified because employer sent those people to register on Karands.com as a background verification task. Like this, we get more than 10,000 tasks every month. Okay, from different location. This person location is from Hyderabad. His work location is from Hyderabad. His education location is from Hyderabad. Okay, so these particular tasks will be going to some ICHP of Hyderabad, and that ICHP will be like doing the tasks. So let's see how these tasks will go. Now for this, what we need to do, whenever some user register like this, okay, the admin of the platform will get the tasks. Okay, to check the tasks, the admin will be going his to my account. Okay, admin in the sense state admin, he is going into my accounts and he is going to my task dashboard. Okay, now when he opens my task dashboard, the my task dashboard looks like this. Okay, here this is the admin dashboard, normal default dashboard, every user will be having this dashboard. Okay, he went into this account section and he clicked my task dashboard, then one new tab got opened, that is this. A new tab got opened, that is this. Now here he can see new task, he got 7 new tasks over here. So here you can see it is actually new task. Sorry for that screen cut because the screen recording is not taking that distance. Okay, sorry. Now here he can see background verification, BG verification. We are clicking. When we click the background verification over here, okay. So this got some new user verification. See, can you see Samudra Dev Singh? This is the same user, right? Samudra Dev Bhushan Singh. Okay, he has uploaded education, work experience as HR manager at KBS and education as master degree at Osmania University. Okay, so let's go to this admin. Admin is saying, see, this person is having master degree from Osmania University. So this admin will be assigning this task to the ICHPs. Okay, now here one more thing is there. Samudra Dev is working with KBS as a HR manager. Here the offer letter is there. Okay, so here he will be like assigning this task, okay, to the other people. Okay, so now here we are like us doing some sort of like assigning thing. Okay, so basically when the task is assigned, then how it happens. Okay, when here if we are clicking assign, here I can see some people over here. Okay, these are the ICHPs and these are the default subalterns. To these people, that particular task will be sent. It is assigned. Okay. Now this is what, okay now. So education one is gone and second one is there, okay, that is work experience. So the user Samudra said, please do not verify my work experience. Please do not verify my work experience. So that's why this particular assign button won't be there. Okay, means admin cannot assign this task to anyone because this user said, please do not verify my current experience. Now, admin what they will do? They will contact Mr. Singh, okay, Mr. Samudra Dev Singh, and they will do the needful to finish this task. Now, to see how the work experience happens, let's go to the same user again, okay, and let's go to his edit profile and add one more work experience. Already this person is having KBS experience, okay. I am adding one more experience over here. I am having an experience with IBM, okay, designation as HR manager. So not IBM, I will be going with Karands, Karands, BUSINS business services, services. Here I am going with a designation like HR manager, same, okay, city like HYD, Telangana. Here I am like having experience from 2022 Jan 2022 Jan 3rd till 2023 December 29th. Okay, and this is not my current occupation. Okay, so here I'm having some salary of 8 lakhs 10,000 and industry is recruitment. Functional area is human resources, skills, HR, project management, investigations. Please write 5 skills, that is mandatory, and some description about this job like roles and responsibilities which you played. Okay, and say save. Now when you save it, go to view profile and see whether this particular information got added or not. Yes, earlier it was KBS, now it is Karands Business Services HR Manager from so and so duration. Now let's go to the admin. Now let's go to the admin and refresh his My Task dashboard and go to his, whether see some new task has been came or not. Yes, one new task has been came, that is into background verification. Okay, so earlier KBS where he is currently working, it is like assign button is not active, but sorry guys, I need to upload the documents of this particular section, then only the profile will go for the verification. Now go into edit profile, as we have like done with second experience over here. So in the documents, the document section, in professional section, I need to add some documents over here. This is the second work experience of Karands Business Services, which is from 2022 to 2023. Okay, so I will be choosing some files over here, like a dummy file for offer letter, and for relieving letter I will be using some other file. Okay, so these two documents are uploaded. Now I will be like saving this particular thing. I will go to my view profile over here and I will check whether the documents are uploaded properly or not. Okay, Karands Business Services offer letter is uploaded. Relieving is also uploaded. Okay, it will show one document only. So now I will be like going here into like admin account. One minute guys, accidentally I closed something. Yes, this is admin. Okay, now I'm like refreshing this. So here I can see Samudra Dev. See in the work experience in the background verification earlier, this Samudra Dev Singh was working with KBPS. Okay, so it is currently working. Assign button is not active. But here Samudra Dev's past experience is with Karands Business Services, that is from 2022 to 2023, and for this assign button is there, and he has uploaded some offer letter as this is a dummy file, okay, and some relieving and experience letter, okay, this is something relieving letters, okay. So now I am assigning this task to same ICHPs 2 and 3, okay. So it is in assigned. Assigned successfully. Now let's go to ICHP 2 and 3. Okay. So here ICHP 2 is there. Okay. This is ICHP 2's dashboard. Okay. Now, so he is like going over here, my account. Before that, I can like go over here. I can see some admin messages if I have some 0 minutes before some task has been assigned to him. Similarly, one mail will be coming to the ICHP2 to his mail ID that so and so task has been assigned some 0 minutes before and some 6 minutes before. Okay, education task and the work experience task has been assigned. So immediately go to his my account. Okay, in my account, go to my task dashboard. This my task dashboard will get activated post verification of your documents. Okay, so my task dashboard is open now. Okay, and here he can see he got some 2 new tasks. Okay, one task is related to the master's degree over here, and the second task is related to the work experience over here. So here this ICHP will read task. Okay, how much I will be getting? He will be getting 100 rupees for doing this particular professional task, and he will be getting some 150 rupees for doing this education task. Okay, so let's do only professional task because the education task is little lengthy one. Okay, which cannot be done in demo, which can be done in training session only. So let's go with this what work experience task. Okay, but before that I will show you something. Let's go to the earnings of an ICHP. Let's see his earnings. This particular person is having earnings of like 1,66,450 rupees. Remember, 450 rupees he is having. Okay, now? Now let's go to the tasks. So before accepting the tasks of work experience, this user is like checking whether the documents has been uploaded properly or not. So here he is seeing offer letter. Okay, this offer letter is good. Okay, and he is seeing some relieving letter. Okay, here relieving letter is also good. He is checking relieving letters. Okay, he is finding is looking for the email ID of the HR, and in the offer letter he got the email ID of the HR. Okay, that is HR at the rate karandsbs.com. Now what is saying, okay, all proper documents are there and I'm getting 100 rupees for this. So I'm saying I'm like accepting this task. Else he can like decline this task also. Once he accepted the task, okay, the task will go into the ongoing tasks. Okay, ongoing task. In his ongoing task, in his background verification, in his job experience, the task will be. Okay, now this task came here. Here you can see some process is there. Mail has been sent, form viewed, submit form submitted. But here it is one which you need to start. So what he is saying is first sending the mail. He got the email ID of the HR from his offer letter. Okay, so he is sending mail to that particular HR. Here some details will be coming of the person whose profile is getting verified, that is his name is this, registered email ID is this, mobile number is this. Okay, and his salary is also mentioned in the offer letter. Okay, so you can write his salary like he used to get some 8,10,000. Okay, and his email ID is also there in the offer letter, for example 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and here is the HR email ID which we need to be right, hr at the rate karandsbs.com. Okay, and just send the mail, that's it. Okay, once mail is sent you will get an acknowledgement ki mail sent successfully. Yeah, mail's request has been taken. Okay, thank you. So now mail has been sent. Once you refresh this particular page, you can see the mail has been sent or not. The mail section is like a tick one, means mail sent successfully. Second is form viewed or not. Now that mail has gone to the HR. It is not that you are sending mail from your email ID. It is going from the platform only. So let's go to that HR email ID and let's see what is going on over there. Okay. So now you can see that this is particular hr@karandsbs.com. To this only we have sent the mail. Okay, so let's just refresh over here. Let's see, do we got any email? Yes, some background verification email got to this HR, and he is seeing this. And he's saying this is about Samudra Dev working with your organization whose employee ID is this, whose salary is this, date of joining, date of relieving is this, HR designation is this. We are contacting you to verify this particular user. Please click here to view the form. Okay, when he clicks here, he will be like opening a new tab where some details will be asked. Here percentage criteria is something 0 as of now. Okay, so here the HR is submitting, yes, this employee used to work with us. Okay, and he is rating some things like his performance evaluations, his strength, his areas of improvement, okay, his work ethics, his professionalism. Okay, these type of things, when this particular rating is given to him, the percentage is increasing. Can you see? 33%. Okay, so let's go with this. Anything, anything, anything. Okay, and anything. Reason about relieving also they can go with. They can forward this mail to the concerned person like team leader or someone, and they can give their feedback over here. Reason of leaving, GROWTH. Growth. Okay, re-eligibility to hire, yes. Disciplinary actions, no. Reasonable accommodations, yes. Okay, and say submit the form, and he will be saying submit the form. When he's saying submit the form, thank you for submitting form successfully. Okay, and they will be getting this particular section, and they cannot do this submission once again. Now let's go to this particular person who has like seen this. Okay, when the mail is seen and form is not submitted, this will get right tick. But right now the form is also submitted, so it will be getting this all three ticks over here. Okay, in training purpose we will be discussing about this much more in detail. Okay, so the form is submitted. Now when the form is submitted, some new view type of thing will come over here. Just need to click this. Here some performance percentage is like 74%. Okay, right. Just download this file. Okay, downloading this file, and after that close this particular section. Okay, so now the earnings was 450, right? Now what you have to do, you need to change the status over here. Status as verified, because this verification is successful. Whether verification is successful or fake, but the response came from the HR email ID which you sent, you will get paid. Don't worry. Okay, na? So it is verified by mail. Verification can be done via different ways. If you can't find email ID, then how to do that particular training will be given to you. Okay. So no need to worry. And the file which has been downloaded, the percentage file, that we can like take from our downloads. This is the HR form, and I am submitting over here. That means acknowledgement is important. Once acknowledgement is submitted, the task is gone. It has gone into your completed tasks. It has gone into your completed tasks. Okay, Samudra Dev task is verified. Okay, let's see your earnings because task is done. Okay, let's see your earnings. You are still having 450 rupees only. So what happens whenever any user is doing some task, that task will go to his admin. He is base admin, not state admin. This guy is state admin. Sorry, this guy is state admin who has like assigned the task. Where the guy gone? Okay, so that guy was the state admin who has assigned the tasks. 1 minute. Yes, this was the person. Now, see, this person task is over, but it is still under verification. So now this is the admin, sorry. Okay, this is the admin who assigned the task to ICHP 2. This is ICHP 2. Can you see? This is ICHP 2, and his earning is 1,66,450 only, as earlier. It has not increased after completing the task also. The completed task is this just now, which has been completed. Okay, which is this one. Okay, so every ICHP is having base admin different and state admin different. State admin is the person who assign the job, assign the tasks. Okay, they assign the tasks like this. Background verification which they got just now, they assigned it. Okay, here this what currently working, so assign button is not there. This will be taken care of by the admin only. Okay, but earlier the previous experience which was there with to Samudra Dev was that was been assigned to ICHP2 and he has finished it. Okay, but apart from this admin, there is one more sub admin. Okay, that is default subadmin, who is your base leader. He will get a base task. That means whoever the base users do the task, that task will come to the base leader, and that particular base task will come under his base tasks over here in bottom. In background verification, some job experience task has been done. Okay, that Samudra Dev previous company's task has been done. Okay, and it has been done by this Salman Khan at gmail.com. Who is Salman Khan over here? Salman Khan is none other than ICHP2. If you go and see his view profile, okay, his name is, his email ID is Salman Khan at gmail.com. So Salman Khan at gmail.com has done this task. He has uploaded once the acknowledgement also, and that acknowledgement file is this. Okay, this is the file from the domain itself. Okay, so he will pay it. If the task is not done properly, then he will reassign it. Okay, so he is right now paying this to you. So here he will be going with some MPIN. Okay, and he will be like saying pay. Okay, payment success. Got it? Now this particular ICHP will check whether my balance is increased or not. So he is going into his my task dashboard. He is going into his earnings. Okay, and in the earnings, ICHP can see 1,66,000. Earlier it was 450, now it is like 550. And in the statement also he can see just now at around 6:30 he received 100 rupees over here, and the balance is this. Now you will be shocking ki what are these? These are the driving jobs, support HR jobs. Driving jobs, support HR jobs are like this. Okay, like driving job is this, where the driving jobs looks like this. Okay, so here he can see, well, let's go to new task, that will understand you better. Support HR job is like this. So here need HR to hire IT team. Some Karands business services looking. They require 2 HRs. Okay, for hiring 5 peoples, and you need to work for this 5 days. Okay, venue can be anywhere. Okay, it can be like we work Kondapur, and the so and so company can ask you to work from home also. So no problem. Okay, so but this particular employer is asking to work from their office, which is V Works in Kondapur. Okay, and the attachments is something like the roles and responsibilities of the hiring profiles, the number of 5 hirings which you are doing. Okay, so how much you earn. Okay, here they are like asking to work for 5 days. Okay, daily they will pay you like 2,000 rupees. Okay, so one HR will be getting 10,000, as they are looking for 2,000, 2 HR, so that's why it is like 20,000. Okay, you can read the complete job description also here, what exactly you need to do. Okay, and you can see the like JDs, what you need to hire. Okay, and here the contact details of the HR will be there. Okay, which to whom you can contact directly. Okay, now so you can apply to this one. When you apply to this one, this particular job post will go as he is like hiring now. Okay, so let's see apply. Okay, so what happens? As the demo is getting dragged, it is going into like training thing, so I will be like making it short now. Okay, so here we have someone else, okay, who is ICHP1, who has posted the job before. So he is going to check in his posted jobs. Okay, so he is checking in his posted jobs that they need some HR. Okay, they need some HR, that is this mega job, not they need HR IT team. Okay, per day 2000 they are saying. When they click this one, they can see some applied people over here. Okay, so ICHP2 was the person who has applied to it. They can see their profile, they can shortlist him. Okay, once they shortlist him, they will be like they can see the status over here. Okay, in applied section, they can see the status over here like this. Okay, here they will be like say applied is there, but once they like shortlist them, okay, their status will change. So they got shortlisted. Okay, now this ICHP2 will be seeing whether they got shortlisted or not. Once they get shortlisted, then they will be having conversation ki when to start, how to start, how much you will be getting. See shortlisted. Okay, once this is shortlisted, they will be discussing everything. Ki, okay, this is supposed to be done, that is supposed to be done. Okay, after that everything is done. This particular recruiter will be like ICHP will be like offering this job to the ICHP2 over here. Offered jobs. Over here, you can like discuss the payment also, number of days. I don't want to work for 5 days. I don't want to work for 2000. I want to work for 3000. Okay. Then he will change the amount over here. Then he will do the top up. Top up amount is already available in his bank account. Sorry, already available in his account. So he will offer the job. So amount is already locked. Once the job is done, the amount will be directly coming to your bank account. Okay, from your account, you can withdraw to your bank account. So no need to worry. Payment safety is 100% at Karands. Now this person has like seeing the status, whether it got shortlisted or not, offered or not. Okay, and this has been offered. Okay, and this person is like accepting the offer of the job. Okay, now the job offer has been accepted. Okay, so now it will go into the ongoing tasks. So here the ongoing task will be there. Okay, need an HR. Okay, this particular so and so hiring is already done. Mr. Dates has came. You have done the job. Your everything is done. Just say after doing the job, just say complete the job. Job mark job as completed. Once it is completed, it will be going into the complete sections. Now what happens? Again, sorry, this person will get the status. Okay, the job has been done. Okay. So now this particular ICHP will be getting a status that job has been done. So he has offered this job to so and so person. Okay. And the job has been done, submitted. Status is submitted. ICHP2 has submitted this particular job. As he was looking for like two HR, so ICHP3 was the first HR who has done the job. Now second HR has done the job. So what he will say? He will pay. Okay, paid. Now once he paid, the amount is not directly going to come to your account. Okay, it will be going to same your admin, your base admin account, that is default admin. Got it? And here he will be seeing that in support HR job there is some task came that this particular person, okay, ICHP2 has completed this job and this job need to be paid. Okay, paying total amount of 10,000 rupees. Okay, to 2,000 rupees per day, that is for 5 days pay. Now once he pay this, okay, then again the ICHP2 can check his balance. His earnings was earlier 1,66,520 something. Now it will be 1,76,000 because 10,000 has been added. You can see that 10,000 over here. See, 10,000 has been added. So 100 rupees came for job task, support HR came for 10,000 rupees. So this is how the things will be done. So in the training, each and everything will be discussed in detail, how the things happen, what the challenges and other things you will be facing over here. Okay, and how to go with them. What if you can't find the email ID in the offer letter, then what to do? Then how the social verification is done, how the address verification can be done, how the education verification can be done, and how the reference check can be done. For that you will be earning separately. Okay, and apart from that, what is like exactly driving job means, what is support HR job means, what is refer buddy job means. Okay, so these particular earnings, these particular tasks are something related to only HR, only and only HR professionals. Okay, so this particular platform is not something that earn daily 500, earn daily 1,000, where you need to write some reviews on the Google. Okay, some scammer type of thing is not. This is completely related to HR professionals. Okay, and HR related jobs only you need to do over here. Okay, so that's the thing you will be doing over here. Some jobs might need you to visit client. It depends upon you. Basically driving jobs are something which will be on weekends only. Okay, hiring for big companies for mega job melas, campus drives. Okay, there you will be supporting these companies in their recruitment. Okay, like this. So everything will be discussed in return while like you doing the particular job. Okay, so I am like ending this video as of now here. Okay, so it is better that you go with the Karands.com. Okay, and use referral code turbi 1000. Okay, to register. Don't go to training.com. Okay, don't go to training.karands.com. It is for training purpose only. Go to karands.com only and use turbi 100. Okay, one more thing I would like to show you. Okay, this particular user who got all his verifications done. Okay, education verification is not done. So one verification is done, that is like his work experience verification. That is, this particular verification is verified C. Okay, Karands BS, which has been just verified by us. Okay, so it is showing verified. It is showing offer letter over here, but nobody can see this offer letter. Only status will be there. Okay, rated percentage came 74% has been given by the Karands Business Services to this particular Samudra Dev Bhushan Singh Thakur. Okay, but this person got registered, right? This person got registered using some referral code, right? And that referral code is of what user? That referral code is of ICHP2 he has used, I guess, right? Let's see. Sorry, ICHP1. Okay, what was that code? Sorry, what was that particular demo code? Whose demo code was that? It was a demo code. Demo 100 was the code of ICHP2. Okay, now this particular Samudra Dev has used code, referral code of ICHP2. So here number of referrals you can view, that is like one user has used and it is active. That means Samudra has paid 1,000 rupees after taking this referral code. So what is the profit this ICHP2 is getting? Now you can see his that earlier this balance which you are seeing, this balance which is there, that is related to the my task dashboard, the task related balance. Task related balance is somewhere around 1,76,000, but his some main balance is also there. In the main balance he is having 200 rupees as balance. Top up balance is something which is used to post jobs and do other things. Okay, but his main balance is 200 rupees. If you check his statement, okay, then today at 5 at near about 6 o'clock, someone has used his referral code. For that he got 200 rupees. That means if you give your referral code to any known people of yours and if they use your referral code while registering, okay, then you will earn 200 rupees per each referral which you give, and you can withdraw this particular amount by clicking just withdraw. When you withdraw, it will ask you to add bank details which you need to add, which you will be adding over here. And when you add your bank details, okay, you will be getting 1 rupee in your account from us. We are not taking 1 rupee from you. We will be sharing 1 rupee to your account, which will make verify that yes, this account is working, this account is yours only. Okay, or else add your UPI ID over here. Okay, it will get verified with the name which is matching the Aadhaar card and PAN card. And if it is matching your name, okay, Aadhaar card, PAN card of the UPI account, then the account will get activated over here. And after that, whenever you want to withdraw, just withdraw. You will get one pop-up, how much amount you want to withdraw. You just write that amount and say enter. If it is an UPI, the amount will be credited immediately to your UPI account. If it is bank account you have selected, then it might take minimum like seconds, or if it is non-working day, then it will take 3 hours to 72 hours to clear the amount. So better use UPI only to withdraw. Okay, similarly you can withdraw your amount from here also. In your earnings also, same, you need to add your UPI, okay, or else bank details, and withdraw from here. Why this section is different? This section is ICHP earnings, and this section is for all users, company users, individual users, ICHPs, BOPs. Okay, because you are an ICHP, you are capable of like earning from my task dashboard. But companies as well as IUs, individual users who are like job seekers, they don't have my task dashboard activated. Okay, because they are not HRs. My task dashboard is only for HRs. Okay, so here they can earn by referring other people, okay, to the platform. Like 200 rupees they can earn on each referral. So for that only we are like going with this referral code. And referral code also defines that this person is genuine and it has been he or she has been referred by the existing user of the platform. Okay, so now as I request you guys, so go to karands.com, not training.karands.com. Go to karands.com. Okay, training.karands.com is only for training purpose. Okay, only for training purpose. Karands.com is the main platform. Okay, and use Turvi 1000 as the referral code. Okay, or else if you have any other known user who is on Karands.com platform, use their referral code so that they can earn 200 rupees. Okay, so this is what verification will take 12 to 15 days of time. Training will be of 3 hours, maximum 4 hours. Sometimes it can be it will be scheduled in 2 or 3 days upon mutual consent of the trainer as well as ICHP both. Okay, so and moreover, yes, this is the beautiful part I would like to say. Key to support, you can go like this person is like, if he is having any queries, okay, so this person can go to his network connection, okay, and in his connection he can find default subadmin over here. Okay, default subadmin is here. He can like message to subadmin, okay boss, uh, I have some issue with the tasks, or I am having some issue with the profile, something, anything you write, it will go directly to the default subadmin. Okay, subadmin is someone, the first person in your collections is the base admin of yours. Now this employee, this particular subadmin will check that whether he got some message, okay, and he will reply, will do the needful. They got this, and he will see, okay, this is there. Okay, I will contact Mr. Singh. Okay, his details will be with me, and he will contact me, okay, from this, because subadmins can see the mobile number in your email ID directly, other people cannot see. Okay now, so he can see this, and he will like call you or else mail you with your queries, or else he can like just, if it is a small query, he can like address from here only. Okay, I will call you, please let me know your availability, something. Okay, that's it. Got it? So this is how the things happens at Karands.com. Okay, in training session, many more things are like added, so you can go with that. So I am ending this session. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Okay.